Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming your Noise watch is charged and paired to your phone. Open the Noise Fit app and confirm Bluetooth is active on the phone. Check the watch battery and keep it above 20% before making display changes. Update the watch firmware if the app prompts an update to avoid compatibility issues. Grant app permissions for notifications and device access when requested by NoiseFit. These steps prevent lost settings and ensure the watch accepts new display values. Wake the watch and swipe to access the main menu where settings resides. Tap Settings and then choose Display to open screen options and controls. Find Screen Timeout and tap it to view duration options such as 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or always. Select the preferred timeout and press back to save the selection automatically. In the same display menu, toggle Lift to Wake on or off to control wrist raise activation behavior at any time. You can also change screen time using the Noise Fit app from your paired phone. Open the app, tap Device Settings, and select Display to adjust screen wake time remotely. Pick the same options such as 5s, 15s, 30s, or always to sync with the watch. If changes do not apply, update the firmware through the app and restart the watch to force synchronization. Unpair and repair if necessary, and reset display settings as a final step after backing up important.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.